current leaders and former leaders of our country not to encourage our young people to commit acts of violence. When you stand before young people, our Gen Zs, you must, as a leader, you have a moral responsibility, because all leaders are parents and we lead the country, and you had an opportunity to lead the country. Do not ask young people and encourage them to commit violence. Encourage them to keep peace and stability of our country. But it is very unfortunate if we, the leaders, current and former, if we set the stage where we tell the young people of our nation to commit acts of violence, acts of disobedience, I think we will lose the moral high ground